think you guys underestimate what Honda can do. Hello and welcome to Stratified. We have some special guests today, Alex. Yes. And behind us is a beautiful, this is what they call the Barney Special. This is the LTT Civic. Very, very stock Civic, other than this beautiful paint job that you see here, and some interior accessories that these guys have already covered and have done. But under the hood, which is what we specialize in, the meat and potatoes, as they call it, is, well, a very, very stock. This is a 1.7 liter of Fury, 115 horsepower when it was new. Who knows what it can do today? Why is it here?
We're K20 swapping it. Oh, K24 actually. It leaks oil.
Okay.
It overheats.
Check.
It makes funny noises.
Yeah.
It kind of smells.
Yeah. Those are all good things.
It doesn't make pepper.
It doesn't.
No.
We're gonna find out.
What's your horsepower?
Ooh, my horsepower guess. So 115 crank. This, how many kilometers? 260. 265. Yeah. Hardly broken it. Hardly broken it. 87. Yeah, imbume, right? Yeah, it's the essence of power. We're gonna do this again, but it's actually a really clean curve. Mm-hmm. Mustang dyno numbers.
Oh, wow.
We are peaking at 89 wheel horsepower and 91 foot-pounds of torque with a pretty nice power curve.
Yeah.
That's for 115 crank. I mean, these guys are sandbagging, right?
Not bad.
Honda's where it's at. And honestly, like, I'm not even joking about this. Having such a nice flat torque curve from just before 3,000 RPM to like almost 5,500 RPM, that's solid. It doesn't even really die off by 6,500. I mean, it smells like it's gonna light on fire, but the numbers kind of speak for themselves. Consistency is where it's at. 89 horsepower, again, uncorrected on the nose. This is how you win races, guys. Right here, the D17. Why are you even swapping this?
12 seconds later.
There it is, the Civic. You guys have seen this car on our dyno, and it made good power for what was in it. But now our goal is to double that. And these guys are here to ensure that. And you might recognize some faces. That's gonna be an exciting build here. So as you can see, a lot of work going on to get this car ready for Friday in a couple of days. It's gonna be on our dyno making some jam.
Like, again, if we made 89 with what it had, if we don't make 180, I'd be shocked.
2004 Honda Civic. This is just Civic. Nothing more than that. Manual. Hello and welcome. Welcome to Stratified. We've got a very special build here. There's always teething pains, no matter how special. So we're getting a little bit of coolant in this car. It's gonna build up some coolant pressure. Then the plan is to get this thing on our dyno. And you guys have seen what the car has made stock. Now it should be that much better. Super exciting to have all these guys here. Linus, got Marty from Mighty Car Mods. We got the guys from Haltech, got Brian from VTech Academy. So we got all the right people in the room.
This is about to spew a bunch of water.
The car will run.
Okay, there you go. So that was super cool and super exciting. The guys at Linus brought us Plouffe's purple 2004 Civic, and there's nothing exciting about that. However, then they went out and got the big guns. The guys from Haltech came through with a bespoke ECU and dash installation. Brian from VTech Academy, the Swap King, made sure that that K motor made it into the Honda and was all buttoned up within a few days. The mighty car mods, the kings of making your grandma's Civic a desirable piece to drive, help out. I'm super happy to have been able to host these guys for the dyno and help out where we could. In terms of power, they set out to double the Civic's horsepower. And here we are, the final numbers of the K-swap with a nice VTEC crossover point right at past 5,500 RPM or right before 5,500 RPM, and we are at 180.52 horsepower. And just so you can compare how that is compared to the old tired 1.7, well, you can see there's mountains and mountains of space in terms of torque and in terms of horsepower. Where the old motor died off and hit redline, the K-swap was coming into its own. Honda is something that we're super excited about. We're working with the turbocharged version of the Civics, and seeing these guys put this work in and really make this car sing has definitely inspired me and inspired us to also put a little bit of a project together, and you guys will see that later. For now, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the guys involved in making this happen, and we'll see you guys in the next one.